Hello friend, how are you? Today presentation this software. This software very useful software to Amazon product KDP product. This software is a publishing product. Many ebook publish this software to easy to use. See the description, video description.
A passive income is something precious. You work once and get paid for a long time without fixing things, updating them and making them fresh again. If you join passive income with short books Kindle publishing, you can see something incredible.
Book publishing.
No need to be an author, no need to be incredibly good at writing, and no
Amazon
need to
book
work hard to write long books.
Any kind
We
of
will show you how
website.
to study the current market on the Kindle marketplace.
So this is a very useful. More description, my video description link this website. Every Amazon affiliate used to very easy use. Making a good money online. Most people STLL follow the outdoor online money making method. Being told many online courses and not following through on the training by expense, hosting plan and domain name, website and blog. Running Facebook advertising bring result. Import product for the China. More detailed information see Amazon USD income and Amazon UK income. See pay to Pioneer and other. See this video, earning source. Lot of dollar, lot of earning. Cool through about all the don't special skill. Not right, not speed. See description link. Link share and email marketing. Business need through website and no making, no Facebook ad, no link sharing and no email marketing. Just publish and enter the publish Amazon KDP. Very useful for software. This software also email supported. Only click the button below, get install access to passive income publishing. 40-day money back guarantee. See 40-day money back guarantee. So very risk free, very useful and easy to use. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share your friend and your other friend share. I am impressed, and more than more software publish my YouTube video. It's my pleasure. Have a good day. Have a nice day.